Well, finally, the DeSoto Firedome V8 Hemi, brand new engine, American engine. Fired it up this morning. Look at it, how smooth it is. Nice paintwork, eh? That was a bit of an Indian touch there. We like colourful stuff, even the fan. But let me just show you the fuel filter. If you can hear me, yeah, it's a gas guzzler. 7 miles to the gallon. Seven. And a Merry Christmas to you. Look at that beautiful dashboard. Battery's charging nicely. Fuel, yeah, that's going to drop pretty quickly. Oil pressure's good. Yeah, temperature gauge just coming up to normal. The red light, oh, the red light. Always beware of the red light. No, it's only because the handbrake's on. This is the way they work. And look at this creative 56 Engineers of America. That's your gear selector there. Neutral, drive, left, right. And this transistor radio with the valves, yeah, those tall valves. A lot of people probably don't even know what they are. Well, it does work. Got a button missing there, but I've got one. And these are the original seats. Bit torn up, seen some better days. Even the back. There you go. And it's even got side windows at the back. That kind of pivot down. Those are covers, the blue ones. Anyway. And a Merry Christmas to you. Boom.